Ouais, vous allez pas partir comme ça sans boire un petit coup. Et voilà.
Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter.
Hello! 7 screws, 1 plate. So welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Alex. As you can see from my fluorescent jacket, we are trying to recreate the alcohol from the French film Le Bronze Fonski, where they basically are given a shot of Shallot Liqueur by a local.
Comment vous faites pour faire passer le crapaud à l'intérieur de la bouteille?
So, unlike the film, I don't have a dried toad to complement my drink. However, what we have is, we have 1 bottle of eau de vie. As we are in the mountains, to make it authentic, we are using Marc de Savoie. As it is a Shallot Liqueur, I have 250 grams of shallots. And of course, as the man in the film says,
La liqueur d'échalote. Mais c'est relevé au jus d'ail. Parce que l'échalote tout seul, ça serait trop fade.
if you just make it with shallots, it's very weak. So of course, we're adding purple garlic. Anyway, we're going to macerate this all in a jar, and then the video after this, you're then going to see. So, without further ado, as you can see, your kitchen, or in my case my studio, will absolutely reek of garlic now, because yeah, it's made a huge mess. However, we're now going to put this and this into that. That, and that is that. We're now going to leave this for 30 days, by which time lockdown will be over, and then we'll see if the faces that our guinea pigs make when they drink it will be the same as those in the film. If you have any comments down below, if you've enjoyed this, click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao!